Hey Richard, quick update on letting you know where I'm at currently. So basically, here you can see that this is the feature that I'm already like halfway there. Where the upload PDF function is done, and it does its job of storing the PDF in in a specific designated folder. Because in the end, anybody who want to use the app, definitely we need to store the PDF somewhere before we start processing the data, parsing and everything. So this is part is done. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you real quick how does it look like. So basically, this is the please forgive the UI. This is like pretty much like really raw coding, so you don't really think so much about the UI yet. So here you just simply upload the PDF and then submit, and then what's gonna happen is I bring you to a page where it displays the PDF that you've uploaded. But bear in mind that this is only temporary uh, what is it call it temporary flow, right? The intended flow is definitely what I'm trying to do right now is once PDF is stored in the folder, is that we will make the parsing auto initiate immediately after storing. So right now, what I'm doing is I already managed to to do the testing first in the terminal in the CLI. So you can see an example that I sent the other day, which is this quotation here, which is coming from the PDF file. And so so basically this is something that has already worked. Now the only thing I need to do is not only the parsing starts immediately, but it is also visible in this app dashboard that you also can see. So yeah, so stay tuned for updates. I wouldn't have any update again for this week. You just stay tuned. Sometime around like I don't know. I'm guessing next Tuesday or Wednesday I'll have some updates on where I'm at with the code. So yeah, talk to you soon. Bye.